Hello people. Insider Evan Blass posted on Twitter an invitation to the Galaxy Unpacked event with a date. So, the next event of Galaxy Unpacked will take place on January 18, 2024. The invitation also says, Galaxy AI is approaching. Galaxy AI is a set of functions based on artificial intelligence that debuts in the Galaxy S24 series. The animation of shiny emojis in the invitation is similar to the animation of Google Bart's artificial intelligence, which can mean that functions from Google Bart will appear on smartphones in the Galaxy S24 series. It is expected that the S24 series phones, equipped with Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processors, will offer several functions of artificial intelligence, including language translation in real time during calls, voice translation, text recognition. Powered by Dubverse. Also, in a good way, you will get a bunch of artificial intelligence in Samsung Notes. There will be the ability to expand the image, create wallpaper, and much more. The official renders of the phones themselves have also been leaked to the network in all colors and in excellent quality. The Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra will be released in 4 color options each. At the same time, each of them can have additional colors, which will be available exclusively in the Samsung online store. Let's look at these colors. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will be available in black, purple, white, and yellow. Both phones have extremely thin and symmetrical frames around the screen. A triple camera is installed on the rear panel. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will also be available in 4 colors, black, gray, purple and yellow. It is reported that all 3 smartphones will have a 12-megapixel selfie camera, hidden in a very small hole in the display. The S24 and S24 Plus will most likely have an aluminum frame, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, as reported, will have a titanium frame. All 3 future flagship phones will receive Gorilla Glass armor protection, stereo speakers, ultra-high-definition fingerprint scanner under the display. IP68 rating, NFC, USB 3.2 Type-C port. In previous reports, it was stated that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will use the Exynos 2400 processor in all countries of the world, except Canada, China, and the United States. At the same time, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will use only the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Pro Galaxy chipset in all countries of the world. Well, in addition to the image of the upcoming S24 line, the official specifications of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra have also leaked to the network. The Galaxy S24 is equipped with a 6.2-inch OLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution, and the Galaxy S24 Plus is equipped with a 6.7-inch OLED screen with QHD Plus resolution. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with a 6.8-inch OLED screen with QHD Plus resolution and S Pen stylus. All 3 phones have a peak brightness of up to 2600 nits and are certified HDR10+. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with a 2x and 3x optical zoom. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens. It has, as written here, an optical zoom with a 2x, 3x, 5x and 10x magnification. But, friends, do not get confused, because these characteristics are rather marketing. In fact, there will be 2 optical zooms, 3x and 5x, and 10x is a hybrid zoom. The Galaxy S24 is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery and a 25W fast charge. The S24 Plus is equipped with a 4900 mAh battery, and the S24 Ultra is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. The S24 Plus and S24 Ultra are equipped with a fast charge of up to 45W. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are equipped with Armor Aluminum 2.0, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with titanium. All 3 phones have the IP68 protection class for dust and water protection. They are also equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a dynamic lock screen, a smart keyboard, Samsung Knox, and a fingerprint scanner. All 3 phones will run Android 14, One UI 6.1 with several new functions of artificial intelligence, which we have already talked a lot about in previous videos. Friends, thank you for watching. See you very soon in the next video. Harry was with you. Good luck to everyone.